and welcome to today's live lesson. So this is your Words for Living one, and I'm going to just try and give you a bit of an overview of what is expected from you today. So 3 different activities for you that you may find placed into your folder. So this is just a picture of the first one. So this is all about using capital letters and lowercase letters appropriately and actually being able to fill out a simplified form. Now this is an AQA unit, so this will go towards qualifications once it is completed and returned to the school. So your task is to fill in the form below using capital letters and lowercase letters, so big ones, little ones, in the correct place, remembering what we have already learned. So all of the tasks that you've had across the week have actually led up to you trying to complete this one today. So if I give you a little view, so you can see here, got your name, when your birthday is, how old you are, family members, hobbies that you've got, what's your favourite lesson at school, what are you good at, what would you like to get better at. So if you see if you can answer these questions into the boxes on the right hand side. Now what I will be doing is I will be making this one editable on the computer, because obviously it might be slightly harder to actually fill these in with handwriting, just because of the size of the boxes. So you will actually be able to directly input and edit the information on the computer itself for this particular activity. We also have a couple of other ones here. So for some of you, we're going to be looking at this one here. So on the right hand side of the page, you have got the word bank, and actually it's got some of the keywords that are associated with the picture. So you need to choose which one of those words you need to use, and then use it in conjunction with the words that you already know, and to see really whether you can write a sentence related to what is happening in each of the pictures. So for example, this one here, you can see the picture and you can see that actually links to the dragon dance. So see if you can think about a sentence, a simple sentence that could go with that one here. We've got fireworks and night sky. If you can write into here, that would be absolutely great. Now, don't forget full stops, capital letters. Maybe you want to use an exclamation mark in there. So think carefully about the punctuation that you are using. So for here, there are 4 sentences for you to try and write. And for our other group here, we've got a little bit of research for you. So to see if you can find out information about China itself. So as today is Chinese New Year, your task is to find out information about China and record it on this fact file. How much can you find out? So we're asking you to be able to draw the flag of China, and that is just in this little box here. You could actually, if you think, oh, I don't really want to, or I'm not good enough at drawing, anything else like that, you are good enough at drawing. But if you really don't want to, you could maybe think about actually sort of cutting it out and pasting it in there. So what's the population? What's the capital city? Currency, so what type of money do they use? Surrounding countries, so so which countries are actually around China? So a famous landmark, a famous person, and we'd go from there. So it would be great if you can actually include and find out about all of that information there and put it into your work. Now remember, obviously you've got your folder, or the online folder that you can log or upload this into, take a picture, and just really, guys, just want to say happy Chinese New Year. Cool, have a good one.